Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be cooking beef cheek tacos. Beef cheeks are a relatively cheap cut of meat that is packed full of flavor. When cooked low and slow, they're absolutely amazing. They're perfect for sandwiches, or my personal favorite, tacos. To start, we're going to need to make a simple rub. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of salt, then 2 tablespoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, followed by 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Finally, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika. Cover with a lid and shake to mix. Now you'll need your beef cheeks. Coat them heavily with the rub. These are ready to hit the barbecue. Set up your kettle barbecue using the snake method. I'm using Clean Eat charcoal. You'll find a link in the description to a video explaining the snake method. For a bit of extra flavor, I'm using Ironbark from SA Barbecue Woods. Have the barbecue sitting around 265 Fahrenheit, 130 Celsius, before placing the beef cheeks opposite the charcoal. Cover with a lid and smoke for 3 to 4 hours. You'll know when these beef cheeks are ready when you can easily move a skewer through the meat. Remove from the barbecue and tent with foil. Make sure to let these rest for at least half an hour. Now it's time to get things together for the tacos. Dice half a red onion. Cut a lime into quarters, roughly chop some coriander or cilantro, chop 1 chili. Now to break up that beef cheek. Look how tender and juicy they are. To make tacos, place some beef cheeks down the center, topped with some of the red onion, coriander and chili. To finish it off, squeeze over some of that lime, and there you have it, beef cheek tacos. These beef cheeks are so juicy and tender from being cooked low and slow. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.